Nanababaw Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga and welcome to Valentine Hotel. Para sa video na to guys, tutur ko po kayo sa loob. Ano ba yung mga amenities na pwede nyo ma-enjoy dito. At syempre, titignan natin yung kanilang mga rooms where you can actually enjoy your stay here. So if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Okay, so let's go to the first room that we're gonna visit. Ito yung kanilang family room. If you know this, guys. Yan, so sama-sama yung mga beds nila dito. So it has like 3 beds. Meron siyang 2 queen size bed at saka double size bed. So this can accommodate siguro up until 8. Kagandahan dito, guys. So if you're a big family talaga, sama-sama na kayo dito. So no worry for your accommodation if you're traveling dito po sa Angeles City.
Pala si Ruby, General Manager ng Valentine Hotel. Open po siya for walk-in. Meron kaming unlimited samgyupsal, starts at $199. Meron din po kaming unlimited steak, unlimited samgyupsal with unlimited side dishes for only $599. Promo rate. Ang original rate niya po is $649. Meron kami ditong ino-offer na all-in package for only 59,000 pesos. Good for 50 guests na po siya. So, ang mga inclusions niya, kasama na po yung function hall natin, fully air-conditioned venue, kasama na rin po yung swimming pool area for your after party, and meron din po kaming free 2 twin rooms. And syempre, yung food natin for 50 packs. Nag-a-accept din po kami ng birthdays, christening, lahat po ng events nag-a-accept po kami. So, para po sa mga basic styling natin, nag-i-start po kami ng 35,000 pesos for 50 packs. For wedding po, yung 59,000 natin, meron na po yung semi-elegant styling. For additional packs po, 400 pesos lang po siya. Kontakin nyo lang po kami sa aming Facebook page, Valentine Hotel.
Alright, so ito yung guys, ito yung setup natin. Kapag magda-dine-in kayo sa mga kwarto dito sa Valentine Hotel. So just to let you know, pwede po kayong umorder din sa resto bar natin. And then they're gonna serve it dito po sa room ninyo. Kagandahan doon, if you're gonna bring your own food, core cage free po sila. And at the same time, pet friendly pa. Less of that, more of our food dito po sa table natin. So I have with me yung kanilang menu. You have 2 options. You can either cook or grill your own meat, or you can request dun sa chef natin. So, 199 pesos, so that's only samji. If you're gonna add chicken, so that's 249 pesos only. Okay, now if you're gonna add only pork at saka only beef, that is 349 pesos only. Kapag only beef only, yan, 449 pesos. And if you want only cheese, 25 pesos only. Now, again, you have options po, no? So, this is their only steak. Imagine, ito yung mga side dishes ng mga only steak natin. And for only 699 pesos, you get to enjoy their steak plus yung mga side dishes natin dito. Okay, so guys, hindi ko na patatagalin.
Hello po, my name is Emily, Hotel Manager ng Valentine Hotel. Ang Valentine Hotel is located dito sa Friendship Highway, Cutcut, Angeles City. Landmark niya, mas malapit siya sa Retro 252, Friendship Highway, in front of Angeles Trade National High School. We have 54 rooms and then 5 room types. We have 1 deluxe single, queen size bed, and then 2 deluxe double, 1 queen size, and then 1 single bed. Then the third room is 2 deluxe double, queen size, good for 4 packs. And then we have 3 rooms for family rooms, good for 5 to 6 person, 2 deluxe double, and then 1 single bed. Publish rate po namin is 3,500. But as of now, naka-promo po kami until further notice. Yung deluxe single po namin is queen size, yung room rate po niya is 1,500.
So, ayun guys, visiting those 5 types of room dito po sa hotel natin, I noticed na yung room size natin are similar. However, yung mga bed types natin ang nagkakaiba-iba. Ang kagandahan naman nun guys, as low as 1,500 pesos for 2, makaka-stay na po kayo dito. Every room is air-conditioned. They have their own entertainment section for the large screen TV. Meron din silang refrigerator and cabinet. And of course, meron din silang sarili-sariling toilet and bath. So, ayun guys, another place for you to check out. If you're traveling from outside Pampanga going to Angeles City, guys, another option for you to consider. So, Valentine Hotel po is located dito sa may Angeles City. It's very accessible because konting pasok lang from Phil-Am Friendship Highway. Now, if you're looking for a place to dine naman like Anli Samgyupsal or unlimited beef steaks, so go check them out. Their resto is available for walk-ins as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here dito po sa Valentine Hotel. Thank you so much for watching Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys. Kain pa.